conditions on these farms are just unimaginable. The summers are unbearably hot and the winters are just agonizingly cold. And dogs often do exactly what Mia's doing now, is they sit in the bowls that food scraps are left in, and that's because it's the only solid footing that they can find. And these metal bars are so cold in winter, and it's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week that these dogs are in these cages. And I truly don't know how they survive.
They have nothing to release their energy, so they just bite the wire cage, and sometimes it comes out and they poke their eyes and skins. Yeah.
I've seen pig farm, chicken farm, also terrible condition, but dog meat farm was just another level. The wire cage, no care, no food, human food waste, injured, blood, fighting.
The condition is really bad here.